welcome to JK News Network. You are watching Evening Bulletin with Shaheen Ali. Here we bring updates from India and all over the world. So let's get the top news coverage. On Friday, the police lashed sticks at the 14th Finance Commission contract workers at Birsa Chowk for the past 1 month. More than half a dozen agitators of Panchayati Raj, accounts clerks and junior engineers have suffered injuries during this period. They also include women. Contractors have been demonstrating their demands for the last 1 month. On Friday, he wanted to surround the CM house at around 12 noon. They started marching towards the Jharkhand ministry, shouting slogans with banners in their hands. RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav, convicted in the fodder scam, has pneumonia. Investigations have also found an infection in his lungs. A high-resolution CT scan of his chest was done on Friday afternoon, which can be reported till late evening. After the report, it will be known how much infections has occurred in his lungs. If the transition in the report is more visible, then they are also ready to shift to the ICU immediately. Former Jharkhand Chief Minister Raghuvar Das has launched a major attack on the Hemant Soren government on Friday. He has alleged that the money is being spent for the convenience of the people in power, not for the development of the state. He said that the development work of the state has been stopped by pretending to be an empty treasure. Even after 17 daily flights from Ranchi to Delhi, CM leaves Delhi on chartered plane. Even after there is a room for Chief Minister in Jharkhand Bhavan in Delhi, he stays there in a house of rupees 6 lakhs a month. Congress Working Committee on Friday passed a resolution against Centre's 3 farm laws. CWC demands that Modi government should forthwith repeal anti-agricultural laws. Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal said he added that the laws impinge upon the constitutional rights of states and didn't pass parliamentary scrutiny as they were bulldozed by Muslim opposition's voice. Veteran bhajan singer Narendra Chanchal passed away at the age of 80 in Delhi. He was unwell for the past 3 months and was undergoing treatment at Apollo Hospital in Delhi. Condoling his demise, cricketer Harbhajan Singh tweeted, "Deeply saddened to learn that iconic and most loved Narendra Chanchal ji has left us for the heavenly abode." At last, let's discuss about the JK Media Cup 2021. On 22nd January, Team Damodar will play semi-final match with Team Mayurakshi at 9 am. After that, in second match, Team Swarnekha will play with Kachi at 1 pm. Tomorrow, it will be very interesting to watch. So that's all for today. For more news updates, stay connected with JK News Network. Thank you.